Let me tell you a secret. Product managers are not paid to build products. They are paid to decide what not to build. Another point, you are picking a metric that is telling the story and that aligns with the business goal, not just scientific data point. Here's the formula. Business goal, who owns the money, what behavior leadership is actually wanting, and then the metric. For example, when business says we want better user experience, what they really are saying is we want better retention without using more money. So the real metric is week 4 metric and retention, not NPS. North Star is often a lie. So we teach about North Star metric that it's very important. It's the most important metric of a product. And based on the business goal, that might change, but it doesn't change as often for the product itself. Now, in reality, all different groups have a lot of metrics they're following, and they have core metric they make sure stays up. The growth team will always track daily active users. That's how they measure success. Sales always tracks revenue because if they don't bring revenue, they suck. Infra tracks costs and a lot of times latency and performance. And PM tracks whatever prevents the product to be killed. What do great product managers do? We always have 1 official North Star metric and 3 ghost metrics that we continuously track.